Hello, Dr. Morley. How are you today?
Morning, Maura. How are you today?
I'm really well, really well.
Good to have you back in Queensland.
Thank you very much, and it's a beautiful spot it is too, and I just absolutely love your clinic. So your clinic's in Burleigh Heads, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay, so if I've got patients that are interested in thread lifting, because we're talking about the Promo Italia threads today, you're very happy to actually consult them and do a thread lift on them, is that right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, can you tell me a little bit about the Promo Italia threads?
Well, we're predominantly using them to get good lift in parts of the face that possibly would require surgical lifting, particularly in the lower face and jowls, but also to augment and get nice lift to the cheeks, and we can even do brow lifting with the threads.
Now you can use it in combination with fillers too.
Definitely. We'll frequently revolumize the face appropriately with fillers and then complement it with the threads to get that extra lift. And the threads and fillers work very synergistically together and definitely complement each other.
And now with the Promo Italia threads, it really is just so much easier, and it's just so much better. How do you find that?
Well, they're a fantastic product. We feel really comfortable using them, particularly the newer reabsorbable threads. You're getting a greater, longer lasting effect, you're getting more collagen stimulation, and also you're not left with a product that's permanently in the skin. So personally I feel far more comfortable using the newer reabsorbable threads, and also feel we're getting a far better result.
Great. And basically, if a patient was interested in coming in to see you, what would be the first step you would actually advise?
Well, I would really need to assess them and see if they're appropriate. It's not necessarily the treatment for everybody. Some people possibly would still need surgery. However, all it takes was me to assess them and see if they're a suitable candidate, and would advise them about possible other treatments they may require.
Because that's a very important point that you just mentioned. Basically, it takes 10, 20, 30 years to age. So, if a patient comes in and they're a little bit more mature, it would just take a little bit longer to get them back, maybe 5 or 10 years. Would you
well, that's a good
say
point you made. We've all, as we age, it's not something that's happened overnight. So in reversal of that, it may require a few steps, but certainly the threads is a big factor in that. It may require to improve the condition of the skin, do some skin conditioning, better skincare products, revolumize the face, but certainly the threads complement the whole treatment program.
Yeah, very interesting. And obviously the younger you are and you have a thread lift, you won't need as much work as we get older.
Yes, certainly there is advantage in having it done at a younger age before the sagging of your skin or the aging of the skin is too far advanced. Doing it at a younger age will have some preventative effects as well. It will slow down the aging process of the skin. So certainly there is a good argument for doing it at a younger age.
Right, okay. And so basically the thread lifts, you are very much in favour of them, and you use them in combination with fillers as well.
Yes.
And can you tell us where your clinic is exactly?
We're in a clinic called Emathani, Anti-Aging and Cosmetic Clinic, which is in Park Avenue, Burleigh Heads, in Queensland, on the southern end of the Gold Coast.
Great, okay. And the phone number?
It is 55.
You can't remember.